Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style. And today we're going to make for you even the option for next week. So make sure to watch everything. So let's start our lesson of today. So as you see here, that the daily candle finished today here. Is a dot red candle here, as you see it. Zoom it a little bit like that, as you see. And if you remember also, we said here that green candle here, that one is an inside bar here, very clear inside bar. Until now we haven't broken above here and we haven't broken down here. So till now everything still early here. And also now how many days we been here in that level? That about 6 days now. It's near to a week and also we are stuck here in that level. So till now the Bitcoin is showing here. There is no more power to push up. And if you remember what I told you till now, till that level where we are here, it's just the retail traders pushing that much. Institute investors till now they haven't entered, they still waiting because I don't know what's going to happen. But the institute is still waiting the correction because institute is still believing that big correction is going to happen after the major move. Because before all that there is a big correction is going to happen, then a big major move to the upside. But also we don't care. Also if it happen a correction down, we're going to buy again. But the only thing, if it doesn't fall down and it go up, also we are with it again. And also the entry of us, people they been with us, they remember all those things. The entry of us, it's been from here, the first entry. Second entry, it was from here. And the first one, it was from 15k. People they be are with me till now from some time now. They remember all those things. The first entry, it was from down in 15k. Then the second entry, it was here when we breaking the top of that wave. Second entry, it was from here when the market gave us here that nice pin bar here in the top of the trend line here. And those yellow ones here, that one and that one here, those ones for the options. And as you see it last week, we put in here at 30k and down is it at 19k. And as you see, all the week we closing below here in the two levels here. So people of options, all of them now, they're collecting premium. Now let's go into see the option for that week, where they are, where is the people they put in the options this week. So let's go in there. Here we are. As you see it, next week is going to end up at 31. And I think the market is going to stay till next month or month 4. Then we're going to see a major move. But also we don't care about that. Also we're caring just here about where is going to be the end for that week. So let's make it together. As you see it, 28k. There is pots and calls here. And that one is it inside the money, 28,500 inside the money. 29 pots a little bit. 30, there is 2 Bitcoin compared to 800 Bitcoin. Over here, is it at 31 as you see it? Look at it here, 31. For the calls, is it 291 Bitcoin as you see it here? And for the pots, is 0. So remember it, we are here at 31. Now that for the calls, let's see now for the pots where they are. For the pots, as you see, 26, there is a lot of pots here. 25, there is a lot of pots here. Here, 24,500. The pots is too much. The calls is 0.2. It's still a little bit. Here, 24k, 23. There is a little bit of call, 0.2, but it's okay. 23. Is it here at 22? Look at it. Here at 22,500. Yes, the pot is not that much compared to the previous one. But if you trade in options, you understand all those things. There is 18 Bitcoin here. And for the calls is 0. So what else we said? We said 2 levels. We said the first level is at 31. The second level is at 22,500. Now let's going back to the chart of us and we're doing that 2 levels together. So let's go in there. Here we are. The first level we said 31k like that, as you see it. And down we said 22,500 like that. So those was the levels. They're showing to us where the Bitcoin is going to end up all the week. And as you see, all those people, they thinking the Bitcoin is going to stay here sideways for some time now. It will not move that much. And me thinking it's going to go to break the 31k. But That's the view for those people. Maybe it's going to happen here a correction, and me I tell it to you before, it's going to happen a correction till 25k. That's why them they put it like that, 22,500, and the top 31k. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here, if you remember what me I told you here, I told you we got here a very clear mega fall like that, and we told you till now it's need the market to break either up or either down for us to make a decision. Till now there is no break either up here and no break down here, so till now it's still very early for you to make a decision based on that, so you need to wait more. And the Bitcoin here, it's showing a big resistance there. So till now, we couldn't break here that level here near to 29k. So it's still very early for us to make a decision. And me, I show you everything now. I told you came down here. Look at it here. You came to that one here. And you're connecting those lines. And here in the top, you came, you do it like that. And you got here a very clear megaphone. You need to wait in the market to break either up or either down for you to enter short or to enter long. Till now there is nothing, so you need to wait more till the right time came to you. Everything is too clear, guys, here in the 4 hours. And by the way, here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. You need to remember that. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they're saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, you remember us, we got here a very clear divergence and we couldn't break here down. So there is nothing here. Also, we still in the place where is the bulls they controlling till now. In the chart we got a mega fall like that. Here in that indicator we got a divergence, but till now we haven't entered to the oversold area, and in the chart we haven't breaking down that mega fall, so there is no entry short. You need to wait in at least the break to happen down here and the market to break for us that mega fall. If it doesn't, there is no entry short, guys. You need to remember that. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. So let's go in there. That one here, same thing. Also, we are here at the overbought area. So technically now you need to looking for short. For you to enter short, as I show you now, we got here a mega fall like that. And that mega fall, it doesn't get in broke. And for us, we need to wait more. Maybe the market is going to give us another price action here or something. So till now there is nothing. We need to wait in either the market to break down here, also we're going to enter short, or the market to break above here and also we're going to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, no entry short. Even if it's that one here, is it at the overbought area, and everything is telling us the market is going to reverse, but us we are not going to enter because that one is just an oscillator. The most important is the price action. When price action came, it doesn't repeat itself. Those ones, they can stay here at the overbought area for 1 year. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video what me I told you. The last video where I analyze for you the SP500. We came, we do it like that, and we do it like that. Bitcoin here, it's breaking here. As you see it, it's breaking here, that level. So I told you, if it's breaking enter short, so the view enter short, stop loss of you put it here or here. So till now it's showing here, it's going back inside, but let's wait in. Either it's going to fall down to break down again, or the market is going to give us here a false breakout and it's going to break above here. It's going to hit for us stop loss. But it's okay, that's a part of trading, guys, because also we are in a sideways market here. Now we need to wait, and if it's breaking above here, it's going to hit for us stop loss, and also we are going to enter along now. And here, look with me now, for people they haven't entered short with us from here, from that candle here, which is breaking down. Now look what you got here in that level here. You got a very clear wage here. You wait in that one either to break above here or that one to break down here, and you can enter short again. Till now there is nothing, and that's how is it market, guys. Sometimes everything is working fine, sometimes it's lagging like here. Also we enter short because here we used to have here a very clear triangle here. It's getting broke here. Also we enter short. Now it shows us a false signal. Maybe it's going to go back to hit for a stop loss, or maybe it's going to continue downward. That's what us we been talking about. There is nothing it's working 100%. Everything is good sometimes when it's working, sometimes when it's not working. So here it breakout, but now it's showing to us a false breakout. So also we need to wait and more. And let's see our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, also we are here at the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger level as you see it. Should we enter long? If it came and breaking above here, that means it's going to hit for us that stop loss as we enter short. And if the market came and breaking above here, as we close in the short and we will open along. That a part of the game, guys. So that's how is it the market working, or maybe it's going to break down. That's another scenario possible. So till now there is nothing new here. And now, as I show you, look with me here, what you got here. You got a very clear wage. You wait in the market to break above here. You're going to enter long. If the market came down and breaking down here, enter short. People being with me for some time now, or in the last video, from here we used to have here a triangle. The triangle is getting blocked here. So you enter short, stop loss you put it here or here, depending on your money management. Now, as I show you now, look with me here, and that one here, you got here a wage. If that one came up breaking above here, you put stop loss just here. If the market fall down and breaking down here, that wage, you enter short, stop loss you can put it here, you can put it here, depending on your money management and how much capital you're going to risk per trade. I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.